ichitono chitakwapa. So that's why fwe bengi fyonomba twajiona mukwipaisa bikali ichito chali shu sabi ali leche kali wafya kuno kulukanga takwa business imbi tulakanga kubumpya nikunishi.
Have a population of about 800 pupils. So indeed we have a very big challenge in terms of water. We only have one pump which supplies about 300 to 400 households surrounding the school. So really at times it even dries up. As a result, attendance it goes down because pupils need water. My heart bleeds when I see children just moving about, not coming to school.
First is to do climate change risk assessments to see what challenges are in this area. We'll be looking at ecosystem restoration. We need to find a way of engaging communities to restore these resources and come up with management plans to encourage communities to form groups on beekeeping, smart agriculture, fish farming, so that people have a number of alternatives which they can depend on.